Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to create your own Apple badge on your iPhone using a shortcut. So it's a pretty cool shortcut that allows you to make your own Apple badge. So makes it look like you work at Apple. It's actually kind of cool. So all you have to do to create this is, first things first, you want to head over to your settings and just scroll down. And you just want to go to the shortcut option here. If you don't have shortcuts by Apple, if you deleted it, just go to the App Store and re-download it, and then this will pop up here for you. So once you have this shortcut app on here, you want to click on it, and you just want to click on Allow Untrusted Shortcuts. You might have to put your password in here and click on Allow as well. So I'll go ahead and do that. Once you've put your password in, it will show a green tick there, so then you know it's working. Next, I'll have a link in the description to this right here, just so you can add the shortcuts. So once you click on the link, you'll see this page right here. You just want to click on Get Shortcut, and then it will bring you over to your shortcut application. If you haven't used it yet, all you have to do is just use an application once or a shortcut once really quickly, and then it will allow you to add another shortcut to here. But if it popped up for you just like it did for me, for most people it probably will, all you have to do is scroll down to the bottom here, all the way to the bottom, and then you have an option to add untrusted shortcut. So we'll click on that, and then once it's added to shortcuts, all we have to do is we have to now go exit out of here and open up our notes. And once we open up our notes, you can make a Memoji badge. So I already have one here, but I'll just delete this just for a tutorial's sake. So let's get rid of this one. So all you have to do is you have to click on your emojis, and then go over to the side until you see all your Memoji characters. Just click on one that you like. And then once you're done, you just want to click on Done. And just click and long press on the emoji, click on Share. And then if you scroll down, you'll have an option to click on Apple Store Memoji Badge, which is the shortcut that we just got. So you want to click on that. And then it's just going to ask you for your name. So you just go ahead and put your name here. So I'll just put my channel's name. And then click OK. And then you can choose an Apple logo color here, so I'll just click on random. And then it will generate your photo for you. So then after this is done, you want to go click on it and click on save. And then it will save it to your camera roll, so you can exit out of here and go check out your new badge. So it's pretty cool how it does it. It does it really quickly as well, and it's really good quality. I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to make your own badge on your phone. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.